Hello. I've made this screencast here for Mr. Demke's German students just to make sure that everybody's familiar and clear on how they're going to be working with Audacity and the results that you're going to have after you create your recording. So what I've done right now, very quickly here, I've opened up Audacity. I'm going to create a generic recording, and I'm going to show you that you end up having two different types of files when you're done. One will be the Audacity file, which is an AUP file, which basically allows you to go back and edit the document or this recording, while the other file will be your export, and that will be the file that Mr. Demke needs in his Dropbox on the Everyone drive. So very quickly, here's how it will go. When you're ready to record, obviously your microphone's plugged in. You click record. Test, 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 test. There's my recording. Pretty generic, but that's the recording for now. You can play it back, and so you have it the way you want it to sound. Let's pretend that I'm done. Here's what I need to do then. I need to click File and Save Project As. Okay. Now notice this pop-up box comes here and says you're saving an Audacity project file. This is your project file. This is all of your raw data. This is the very first type of file you'll get when you're working through a recording in Audacity. So you want to click File, Save Project As first. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to save it in a folder I just made a little while ago. I just called it Demke. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm just going to call it Test Recording. Okay, now notice it's a AUP file. This is my Audacity project. I'm going to click Save. It's going to save the project, so if I want to come back and edit it, or maybe add an intro or an outro of some sort, I can do that, and my raw data will be there. Now, let's pretend we're done. You've gone through your edits and you're ready to submit this into Mr. Demke's Dropbox in your periods folder. At this point, you need to you need to export. So I'm clicking File, Export. This is the second type now. I'm again going to put that into that Demke folder, and I'm going to call it Test Recording _ and I'm just going to call this Final, because this is my final copy I'm going to submit. Notice now, in the file type, it says mp3. That is what Mr. Demke needs. He needs the mp3 file, not the very first one, which was that AUP file. So when I'm done, I'm going to click Save. It's going to export that presentation, that recording, to that mp3 file. Alright, so now you're all set. You're done. You are ready to go, ready to drop everything into the folder. So what I'm going to do is, here's my Demke folder. Notice now I have a couple things. I have the data, the test recording, that's my Audacity work. Notice it says Audacity project file, and this is the test recording here. It is an MP3. This is the thing that Mr. Demke needs. So what you need to do then is click on it, right click, and I'm going to say, let me copy that. Right click, copy, and then I'm going to go to the Everyone drive. So I'm opening up my computer, Everyone drive, and I'm going to Mr. Demke's folder, which is Deutsch Demke. Double click on this and make sure you paste, right click and paste that MP3 that we've just copied into the appropriate folder for your period. Alright, it's a quick rundown. Sorry I couldn't be there today, but I figured I'd make this quick video to help Mr. Demke out, as well as all you fine students. Good luck, take care, have a good day.